Hi, I'm Serene. Welcome to my green kitchen where everything I make is completely plant-based. Today I'm going to be making pizza only out of ingredients that I bought from Aldi. And I know it's not really a recipe video, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to go to one store and get all the ingredients you need for a meal or for multiple meals. So when I'm making this, I'll be putting the prices of each ingredient that I bought just so you can see how affordable it is as well. And hopefully it gives you an idea for a weekday meal that's just like really easy to put together. So let's jump right in. The ingredients that I picked up were a pack of flatbread, some button mushrooms, grape tomatoes, tomato sauce, bell peppers, onions, and vegan mozzarella. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then cut up all of your vegetables. I have my tomatoes, mushrooms, and onions on one pizza, and peppers and onions on another. I'm also adding 2 ounces of cheese to each flatbread. Now you can assemble your pizzas. Put your flatbread on a pan or a pizza stone and add your sauce and just spread it around with the backside of a spoon. Then you can add your cheese, and I know that 2 ounces per pizza doesn't seem like a lot, but with this cheese a little bit goes a long way. I'm also adding a little bit of oregano to the top of these. This is an Aldi brand, but Aldi does sell their own brand of oregano, and I'm pretty sure it's only 99 cents per bottle, so if you don't have any, you can pick it up there really cheap. And now I'm just adding all of the vegetables. And while I'm doing that, I do want to mention one thing. I do know that not every single Aldi location in the world has the same ingredients that I'm using here. Maybe they don't have the flatbread or they don't have the cheese, but I'm sure that you can find most of these ingredients at least and maybe pick up whatever you're missing from another store. I know it contradicts what this video is about, but it can happen. After your pizza is assembled, slide it into your oven and cook it for 10 minutes. And 10 minutes later, your pizza will be done. So that only took about 20 minutes of my time from start to finish. Really fast weekday meal for your taste buds. I mean, look at that. So just to recap, my entire grocery haul was $14.59. If I had just gotten the flatbread, sauce, and cheese, it would have only cost me $6.52, which is a meal in its own. And all of the vegetables you can use in lots of different other recipes. I only used a little bit of each vegetable, but the mushroom, onion, tomato pizza cost $3.13, and the onion and red pepper pizza costs $2.82, totaling $5.75 for a meal for 4 people, which is less than $1.50 per person. I really hope you like that recipe kind of. It's definitely one of my go-tos during the week when I'm in a time crunch or if I just don't feel like coming up with something. Let me know what you think of this kind of video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment to kind of give me a little bit of feedback. And if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and I'll be putting these out every Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye. What's the matter?